Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have a feast, a seafood feast that my mother prepared. But before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We are back. You like it? I love it. And I had to taste it real quick.
So today we have king crab.
Oh.
We have not one, but two, but three legs. Okay, my mother's in town. She bought a box of king crab,
Mama
y'all.
Duke in the building, y'all. Yeah, listen. So, two is mine. I put on my big gang, you know.
Two is yours. So we have here mussels, green lip mussels, corn, potatoes, sausage, egg, king crab as well, shrimp, potato, and we also have some broccoli rabe. It's bitter.
That's a bitter one, man.
Yeah.
That one a bitter one. Every time I put on this mask, family, I'm thinking it's a face mask. Just use the damn face mask. Come on now, you should have told me that. But listen, the broccoli rabe there, family, I'm not getting that. I can't get jiggy with that.
And then we also have.
Want to close rain? With a napkin?
That's what myself. We also have in here Brussels sprouts somewhere, right here, Brussels sprouts. My mother, when she cooks, she have to have some vegetable.
I'm gonna try the broccoli now. A
lot.
A bit of one I don't like, you know. I try to.
Here you go, my love. You can hold the sauce. And then we have some rice back here.
Why don't you put it right here?
Because I can't reach it. You can hold it.
Oh, you don't want it?
Not really. Because she already drenched it in sauce already.
Okay. Take a stream. I'm sharing and it's caring.
I hope you guys liked my outfit of the day.
They love it. Yo, so my time I'm asking the big gang up. I had shrimp there.
Yeah, mama. So, I feel
Drowsy it already. This is spectacular.
if you hear them in the background,
They out there in the
they're
background.
out there enjoying their seafood. And we're in here.
You hear them? They want a video bomb. Video bombers.
Oh my god.
You know what that? They can't eat it?
Yeah, it's too big.
Oh, you don't like it too big? Family. When Mama Duke is here, we don't waste no time, son.
We don't have a dipping. We have a dipping sauce, but it's not your typical butter sauce. This sauce.
It's a gravy, but it's bad.
It's like a sauce that was cooked in the shrimp, like with the seafood. And then she just went ahead and thickened it up. Oh, and we have king crab, right? Mr. Right?
It's a right there. There's three. There's three, one, and two for me, one for you.
Oh, one for you, two for me. I deserve it.
Good job, Mama Dukes. Never fail.
Wow.
Yeah. Hungry now?
Come on.
Family, I'm gonna eat today. What do you want over there? You put the sauce up there?
A little bit, yeah.
Mm.
You put it in the middle. Because if I don't put it in the middle, then I'm not gonna get none. I'm gonna see how Richie already running through the sauce already. You understand?
Family, I'm gonna eat today.
We are hungry. Hungry, I tell you.
Birthday's coming up, dog.
It is.
Birthday, she got a surprise for me. I don't know what kind of a surprise birthday. I got birthday, they know. Birthday's for ladies.
I don't have no.
Sausage body, you know? Salty too.
Yeah,
What kind of sausage is this?
pork.
They ain't gonna do that to me. Nice though, salty though. I like it, man.
Pork on pork on pork.
Nice one, salty. This is good. This is good. I am loving it. When Mama Duke is here, Mama Duke spoil it.
She does.
She spoil it. She love the kitchen. Like her daughter.
So this kind of sauce,
Yeah.
like I said, it's not a butter sauce, but it does have butter in it, but not a lot. And it's basically, she cooked this in the oven. And wherever the seafood, you know, you steam something, whatever juice is left over, that's what she used, and she added more flavor in, and that's all that is.
No cap. This is the banger.
And con good man.
Can't sweet now. Wow. Yo. Coming like I ain't treating all day, no? Family, I was looking forward for this spectacular meal.
Wait,
I was looking forward to it. Nah.
you knew what mommy was gonna cook?
No? I just,
But whatever she cooked, you know it's gonna be good?
I was looking forward for it, yeah.
That's a good answer.
I had no idea, family. I bought to do I smell it, I said, my nose is good. No, I'm lying. Let me tell you what gave it away. When I bought to the garage, family, I see the big king crab box. I said, okay. That's how we feel like. You know what I'm saying? I was going down today. Oh,
Good.
nice.
Nice man.
Everything nice. The rice and everything spicy. Wow.
Ooh.
Okay, why you poke your hand, yo? I like the one that kind of want the juky man. This sausage is good enough. I like it because it's salty.
And my mother said she's making another seafood sometime during the week. Yeah.
Seafood with that one.
Come on.
Family, I'm here from it. I'm here for it as long as it's food. You know me. Birthday, I deal with the king crab though.
Yeah, man. You see, the shrimp,
Oh man.
the seafood. You know I was hungry. I came home, I didn't eat nothing.
Shit. So they take me feel like. Excuse me.
When she comes, a beer cooking I go on, man. Beer cooking.
When Mama do it here, all Mama do is throw down. That's it. Mama do throw down, son.
Yes.
And we love it. You know what I'm saying? And we bring it to y'all, you know? We got to bring it to y'all.
Exactly.
That's what Mama Dukes do.
Get the fat off. Dip it in the sauce. Oh my god.
Nah, give me peace. Give me peace of earrings, huh? It's a shell, man.
I'm trying to figure out what you're choking on because there's no. I'm gonna say, is this a fish from yesterday?
You
Careful. I think I have some over here.
Family. We say family. Yeah. I don't know where to start. Did I start yet?
I need to start yet.
I didn't know where to start.
I'm a king crab, Mayu. You go on, so you can say the one is king crab.
Excuse me. I'm king crab, man. Yo.
I took a napkin, baby.
This corn is sweet.
This corn is so good. So good.
Oh, it's sweet like hell.
Thank you.
Why the corn is so sweet, man?
Yo, a Publix corn, man. Publix corn, when it's in season, it's always delicious. That's why I love it.
Your shopping is a pleasure. How are your day, beautiful people? We didn't add? Sorry. Thank you for reminding us. We totally sorry.
We thought we wasn't gonna have any more king crab for a while.
Yeah.
Because you know stimulus check money done.
Stimulus check done.
When mommy comes,
My mama told me to do that the stimulus pack.
she said,
Blessed us.
king crab is on me.
Look at this big king crab.
What?
I'm gonna give you a piece too. Oh, I want a juki no mayo.
Jicky bad.
Yeah, I want a juki mayo. I want juki.
Oh!
Sorry.
God damn it!
Oh, when you pay? The water when you have sorry.
Yes.
Sorry.
Are you trying to make me not see so I can not eat no food?
Well, against it, man. So, I think we can bring a thing for this, man.
Scissors.
Yeah.
If I can break it, you can break it, honey. Stop going, someone.
Juki, your fault.
Yeah. It's really soft, but we should have done scissors for real.
Fuck. You're in mommy room.
The thing about it is...
Yeah, what's going down now?
The thing about it is...
I mean, my
I know you're saying go get the scissors, they have it out there. We don't want to bother them with the scissors.
Yeah, we ain't gonna bother them out
They
there.
need the scissors, man.
You need the scissors. But look, it's all... I got you. I'm letting you up, right?
Oh,
My bad.
toes. It can be done without the
Scissors.
scissors, yeah.
Yes, I need that good clean up to the time.
Yeah, man. Oh no.
Messy? Alright, family. I'm gonna give you our first bite. I'm gonna give you a little dips. Boom. Damn. You might like it. Cut it out. Alright, here we go. Take a bite. Yeah, see? Alright. I don't. What's this? You say wipe up this thing?
Yeah.
What's that, fat?
I don't know. But it's not good to eat it.
Not good to eat it. They shouldn't put it on it.
It doesn't taste good. To you it does?
They shouldn't put it on it. If they want to eat it. Sorry. That's fine.
I'm telling you. When I'm eating seafood, I feel like I'm eating so fast.
Why?
I don't know why.
You think I want to take it? I don't take it.
Not that.
They out there chilling. Doing their thing.
Doing their thing. Both Richie's family and my family, we're loud. Okay?
You hear them? Listen to them out there, family. You're loud as hell.
You guys, we'll have a great time with our family.
You turn up. You turn up, son. No cap.
And the corn is so good.
Corn sweet.
Yes, baby?
You know the first time I eat king crab is you?
Yeah?
Never ate king crab in my life. I didn't even know what king crab was. Always see crab where they can do the show where they do crab hunting on the ship. That's the only time I see they catch king crab. Oh.
King crab, that honey?
I've never ate king crab till I meet you.
Yeah? Juky man.
You're fuck.
You can't do it, though. Shake it out. Push it out.
Right? What's going on?
I think so.
Hold on, wait a minute, I got it better. You hear that?
Loud.
Family, we're not gonna get no scissors, so don't tell us to go get it. We're not getting them because they use it. They say, why don't you go get the scissors? Here, take that.
Oh. We ain't getting no
We
family.
ain't getting no family.
See? It works. You gotta improvise, you understand? But it's just
Two
like,
head is better than one.
yeah, and it's just like life. If something's not working, do something else.
Exactly. Teamwork make the dream works all the time. We ain't getting up to get the scissors from the day out there losing it, and right now, if I get up first, they're gonna move with the king crab because she loves seafood. I can't afford that.
I got king crab that.
My king crab, I'm later, no? I'm my king crab later, man. Sashes and bad, man. What's already? That king crab I can put on later.
The king crab is for me. Family, this is the broccoli rob and onion dust.
Bitter one.
Bitter.
Or bitter like.
Like me I drink washout.
Family. You see this one? No, I'm not gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it later. Don't force me to eat it. Come on now.
He wants to hurry up and get to the family because they're out there creating pure excitement because if they wasn't here, he'd have ate that.
Family.
You're not gonna have it for real?
I ate one with them already.
It's like a shrimp.
I ate one with them. Right, family? I ate one with you already. This one is for later. Shrimp nice enough?
Yeah, man. Oh.
I'm gonna give you a piece then.
Yeah, man.
I'm not gonna do that to y'all.
Yeah. And that me I say I go on bad man. You know I don't feed them. You gotta feed them.
But yo, sometimes you can't share the king crab because it's king crab here. Yeah. So when you get king crab, it's just a little. You gotta get them piece and then you gotta eat the rest. Yeah. Because,
I feel you.
King crab is expensive, yo. Our stimulus couldn't even buy it, you know.
Barely?
Yeah, barely. Our stimulus barely buy the king crab family. You know. Cause y'all good peoples. I'm gonna put your on or something.
Yeah.
Which should I piece I get a knuckle or a piece of the end part?
The end part.
End part?
I think.
Family, that one there, juki no family.
Juki bad. Oh, I thought it was gonna come out. It'd have been good if it came out.
You guys gonna come out? You guys gonna stay?
I like gonna stay in.
Okay, then so they wanna come out then. You say you want them to come out?
No, sir.
Naughty. Naughty shawnies. Cause you know they're listening, you know? Wow. This is spectacular, no cap.
So good.
I am capping, son. Come here, don't play yourself with me.
This lady at my job said, "Oh, I hate corn." I said, "What? Who don't like corn?"
Remember, I'm not a big corn lover like that.
I know, but she said she hates it.
That's bad.
I said, "Wow." I've never met someone who
And hate is
didn't
a
like
big
corn.
word.
Yeah. She was like, "Get that away from me." Who are you talking to?
Ask the family if they like it. How much of them like the corn?
Do you guys love corn? Or like corn? Or you just really just hate it? Hate corn? I've never met someone who doesn't like corn.
I eat it because I eat seafood. Wow, this is so good. You know what? I'm gonna have to finish the king crab or do the family, you know. I'm showing off for real.
Yo,
What?
who ate this corn?
You did.
When?
You love corn, you know me. Are you never tough?
Let me find out y'all ate my corn. Oh, seriously.
They snuck it?
Snuck in and ate my corn.
Family, this is messy.
It is. It is messy.
Messy, the whole place messed up.
And I love shell crab, but sometimes I love to just eat the food without having to take off the shell. But either way, I'll eat it.
I'm saving that piece. I just gave y'all.
Yo,
Why you want to do that?
you're full, man.
Full?
Yeah.
Family, y'all devour this food, man. I see all the little hands I'm grabbing.
You guys like broccoli, Rob? Let us know because none of that.
We don't want it. We don't have that.
Bitter man.
Bitter, I want a bit of my medicine. So family, this one, I'm gonna save it for me, okay? Okay? I love the knuckle, I'm gonna eat the knuckle on the low. Right now they out there, I'm gonna have to go hide it.
That is true.
They're not getting it. So I'm gonna eat one more muscle. I didn't give no muscle. Oh God. There you go. Take a muscle.
It smells good.
I got a cheap cologne today, man. I ain't got the cologne to turn you on.
Yo, you took...
You're still there?
What time my business for?
You're still there? Where you
Shoot.
going?
Damn it.
I ain't gonna cologne.
You making family members know everything about me? My God.
Yeah, I ain't got that one on today. I got a simple one on. Something light, family, you know? Alright, family. I'm gonna give it a wow. And this one's gonna be long, okay? So you gotta listen. Okay, family? A beautiful day begins with a beautiful mindset. When you wake up, take a second to think about what a privilege it is to simply be alive and healthy. The moment you start acting like life is a blessing, I assure you, it will start to feel like one. That one was
That's a good one.
okay, so you gotta listen to that one and listen to it carefully, okay?
Yep. That was a good one.
That was a good one for us, lady.
Yep.
So family, we shared with y'all. I'm gonna eat the rest of the cream crab by myself because you know, king crab is expensive now. So, we gave y'all some delicious meal by Mama Dukes. And next one, appreciate you again, Mama Dukes. So if you're new, like, comment, subscribe. And we are the greedy couple. And everybody else that's watching, it's time to hit that subscribe button.
Yep.
You've been watching for a while now. Alright? We appreciate y'all. Do your thing first, lady.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Mukbang.
Bye.